Hi dear children, welcome you all to my 10th standard chemistry class. In this lesson, so far we discussed about subshells, subshell electron configuration, period number, group number and block of an element from subshell configuration and the characteristics of S block, P block and D block elements. Today we are going to discuss the last part of the lesson, F block elements. In this video, you will get familiar with the elements present in the F block, some characteristics and uses. So let's start our class. F block elements. What are F block elements? F block elements are the elements coming after lanthanum and actinium and are placed in two rows at the bottom of the periodic table. Why these elements are known by this name? Because in F block elements, the last electron enters into the F subshell of an atom or the last electrons are filled up in the anti-penultimate shell. Anti-penultimate shells are the ones to the inner side of the penultimate shells or the third from the last shell. The F block elements are further divided into two categories. The first category is Lanthanide series and the next category is the Actinide series. Now let's learn about the Lanthanide series. Lanthanides, otherwise called lanthanoids. The elements in the first row of the F block elements are called lanthanoids and actually these elements belongs to 6th period. Here, the last electrons are filled up in the 4F subshell. The series of elements are called lanthanide because they are so similar to the element lanthanum. There are 15 elements in this series. The lanthanide elements range in atomic number from 57 to 71, that is from lanthanum to lutetium. Now let's move on to the actinide series. Actinides, otherwise known as actinoids. The elements present in the second row of the F block elements are called actinide series. The actinide series are 15 consecutive elements in the periodic table from actinium to lawrencium, that is atomic number from 89 to 103. Actinoids belongs to 7th period of F block element. On examining the configuration, we can find that the last electrons are filled up in the 5F subshells. The lanthanides and actinides present in the F block elements are commonly known as inner transition elements because these elements fall inside the transition elements as per their atomic numbers. Hence the name inner transition elements. Now let's learn about some of the characteristics and uses of F block elements. Like D block elements, most of these elements show variable oxidation state. Do you know what might be the reason for this? Yes, absolutely. Here, the electrons present in the F orbitals also participate in the chemical reaction. Most of the actinoids are radioactive and are artificial elements, and also they form colored compounds. Have you heard of the element neodymium? Neodymium is an element present in the lanthanide series of an F block element. It is widely used for the production of powerful and lightweight magnets. Elements like uranium, thorium, plutonium, etc. are used as fuels in nuclear reactors, and many of the elements in the F block elements are used as catalysts in the petroleum industry. So that's all about the characteristics and uses of F block elements. So dear children, hope you understood the lanthanides and actinides present in the F block elements. Go through the video, study well. See you in the next class. Thank you.